Hi, I'm Stuart Smith, CEO of the Droning Company. Thank you very much for considering signing up with our platform. Before you proceed with creating your profile, I want to spend a few minutes to tell you about how we got started, why we got started, and more importantly, how we get work for our drone pilots. Most of my life, I've been a reasonably well-known rock guitarist and spent my life touring and recording. But about 5 years ago, we brought out the fifth album with my own band. We had a world tour planned, and it got cancelled due to COVID. And as I'm supporting the most expensive creature in the world, a teenage daughter, I thought I can't sit around here doing nothing for however long this is going to take. I've been flying drones for a couple of years, primarily just for fun. So I thought, well, there was still drone work during lockdown. I'll go out as a drone pilot. And I talked to friends that were drone pilots and looked at these job agencies out there and was amazed at the amount of commission they were taking from pilots. I mean, a roofing inspection should go for about $250, but they were paying the pilots $90 to travel 100 miles, which we thought was grossly unfair. So we formed the Droning Company as a platform where pilots pay a $10 a month subscription to host a profile on our page, which is searchable by the public looking to hire drone pilots. So it's a bit like the Yellow Pages or Angie's List of drone pilots. Once they find the pilot they want, they hit contact, they get your phone number and email address, and they contact you directly. So we're not involved, we don't take commissions, you set your own price. So basically, if we only got you one job in the entire year, it more than pays for your yearly subscription. The way we get potential clients coming to our page to find pilots is we're also a news agency. We have 2 new articles come out a day, trending news and product news, and that keeps us at the top of the Google ranking when people are searching for drone pilots. We have 2 tiers of membership. There's a standard $10 a month membership and the Premier $15 a month membership. And for that, once you've finished your profile, we go through it with you, and then we feature on the main page your pilot's story, which is how you got involved with drones and everything else. And we feature that as the featured pilot of the week. We repost it in our newsletter, which goes out to 16,000 subscribers, and also in our social media. And we link it to your profile. So basically, for the $15 Premier membership, we advertise your profile to the drone industry. How much work you get depends upon your profile, and we've got quite a few articles and video tutorials available for the asking. If you'd like any further information, please email us at info@thedroningcompany.com, and we'll be happy to jump on a phone call and help you with whatever we can. Okay, well, thanks for your time, and look forward to you being part of the Droning Company team.